Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to AnonymousSushi. So hope everybody's doing good today. I'm actually currently in New York right now, and coronavirus is getting pretty bad. Whereas as of today, restaurants and bars in the city are closing, so it's pretty crazy. So I guess I'm going to start actually making a bit more YouTube videos and committing more to this channel. So hope everybody's doing okay, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make a quick hand roll today. It's a very quick bite-sized appetizer for sushi. It's something that you can normally eat in two bites. It's very small actually, so something that I really like to enjoy to eat. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that today. And before we start, so I actually couldn't get white rice today because I guess everybody's going crazy due to coronavirus. So I only found brown rice to work with today. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. For this video today, you guys are going to be needing nori, a little bit of rice, and then whatever filling you guys want to put in for this. I'm going to be using a spicy crab meat mixture. So I made a creamy spicy mayo, and I put a little bit of scallions in it, and then I kind of mixed it up together. Okay, so what you guys are going to be getting is something like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make that right away. So this is called a temaki in Japanese. It's called a hand roll, and it's meant for a chef to make in their hand pretty much. Okay, so I'm going to take my nori, and then I'm going to kind of make a V shape when I layer my rice out. Okay, so just to show you guys. Okay, so like I said, I wasn't able to get white rice, so brown rice is a little bit different when we make this. It's going to be, depending on how you make it, it should be it shouldn't be as starchy as normal white rice would be. So it might be a little bit difficult, a little bit harder, but generally it should be pretty similar, I guess. But depending on how you mix the rice. Okay, so when I spread out my rice, I want to make a V shape with this. So I'm going to put in whatever filling I have over here, pretty much. Okay, I'm going to take my crab meat mixture. I'm going to put it right in the middle, just like that. And the goal of this is to pretty much you want to have the bottom right over here, like that. You're going to have the empty little part, and you want to kind of have it close and wrap around. When you wrap it, you should kind of make the end tight, and it's the angle you roll it at which will bring it to shape. So you're going to tuck it like that into a cone shape, and you're just going to wrap it around simply just like that. Okay, and then when you wrap it around just like that, you get just a very nice ice cream cone shape. And then it's not going to close, so we're going to take a piece of rice, and I'm going to actually smear it onto the end of the seaweed. Okay, it's going to work as a glue, and then I'm just going to close it just like that. Okay, so this is a temaki. It's a hand roll. It should be a nice bite-sized appetizer piece for sushi. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click down, like, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Okay.